Hey guys, what's up? My name is Amy if you're new here, and today I wanted to do a ukulele tutorial of the song Playdate by Melanie Martinez because it seems to be doing pretty well, and I also got requested for one, so I decided to do it for you today. One thing I want to tell you before I get started is that I'll be posting Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday throughout the month of October, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll be live streaming this Tuesday, so in 2 days I will be live at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so I hope you're able to make it. And yeah, I can't wait for all the videos that I have for you guys. And if you want me to do any kind of other tutorials to other covers I've done, please leave them in the comments because I think I'm going to try and make more tutorials. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I will be explaining the chords in depth, but if you already know chords, you just want to know how I strummed it and how I played it, then you can skip to this time right here. But if you're still beginner, then I'm going to show you how to play these chords. So you're only going to be needing 5 chords in this song. You're going to need G minor, which is the first one. So G minor looks like that, and G minor is the last string, first fret, second string, second fret, third string, third fret, and it should make that sound like that. And then the next one is C, pretty easy like that, just the last string here on the 3rd fret. And then the next one is A 7th, which is the second string, first fret, and it should make that sound. And then the next one is D minor, like that. So D minor is the 1st fret, 3rd string, and 2nd fret, 1st and 2nd string. And then another one you'll be needing is F, which is pretty much the same as D minor, but you're just letting go of the 2nd string. So it just looks like that. So those are the 5 chords you're going to be needing. So I like to explain it in the way that there are 2 sets of chords. So the first set, I'm going to write it or whatever on the screen. So the first set is G minor, C, A 7th, D minor, and then the second set is G minor, C, F. So those are the 2 sets that I'm going to be saying it a lot, so I'll put it on the screen somewhere the whole time. So the first set goes like this: G minor, C, A 7th, D minor, and then the second set is G minor, C, and then F. So that is the pattern you're going to be doing for those first ooh part of the song. So I'll sing it for you and we're just going to play it together. So this is how it goes. That's how I do it. So in terms of strumming, I go so down, down, up. So I go, and then for the F, so it goes down, down, up, down, and then do it again. So that is how you do the first ooh part. And then moving on to the first verse. So first verse, you're going to be doing set 1 3 times and then set 2 once. So you're going to be doing, so I go down, 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 it's all down. So that's how I like to do it. You can strum it the way you want to, but that's just the way I decided to play it. So I will sing the first verse for you. So set 1 3 times and then set 2 once. So it goes, you call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you want to play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. So that's how I do the first verse. Pretty self-explanatory. Once you can figure out how to transition nicely from each chord, then strumming is all up to you. So that's just how I played it. Now we're moving on to the pre-chorus. So as for the pre-chorus, you want to play each string in order, but only from the 2nd string here. So it goes like that. So you want to do, you don't want to play the 1st string right here. So it goes, we're just playing hide and seek. That's how you do it. So in terms of the chords, you're just going to do set 1 for this. So which is G minor, C, A 7th, D minor. So it goes, we're just playing hide and seek. It's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. And then again, I play no games. I'm tired of always chasing after you. So that's how you do that. In terms of the D minor though, you don't have to put your finger down on the first string because we're not playing it anyway, so you just need these two down here, like that. And so that pretty much takes you through the verse and then the pre-chorus, and then we're gonna go on to the chorus. So the chorus is the first set, second set, first set, second set. So you're just alternating. So in terms of strumming, I like to go like this. Sorry if that was kind of fast, but basically I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and just continuing that. I just feel like it feels right. I don't know. You can play it however you want to. So I'll sing it for you. Set 1, set 2, set 1, set 2. So this is how the chorus goes. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I gave a shit about you. You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a playdate to you. And then you can do the oohs again. Ooh. Play the chorus and then the oohs. So I think it's pretty simple. There's no more new patterns from here on out. So verse 2 is the same as verse 1, and then the pre-chorus is the exact same, and then you do the chorus. And after that, you're going to go to the bridge, which is ring around the rosy. So that part is the same as the pre-chorus. So it's the same plucking, same chorus. So ring around the rosy. I never know what you need. Ring around the rosy. I never know what you need. And then the ending is the chorus again. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I gave a shit about you. You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a playdate to you. And then you're gonna do the chorus again, but the lyrics are different. So this part, I like to strum it as, you know I give a fuck about you anyways. And then I just do it one at a time, just because it feels like it's coming to an end, it's coming to a conclusion. And so that's how I like to play it. So yeah, we'll finish it off. You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this playdate with you. So that is how you play it. I hope that that was kind of helpful. But yeah, so nothing too crazy. You just want to learn those 5 chords and kind of get used to transitioning to them. I feel like this is probably the fastest transitioning song that I've ever done on ukulele, just because you're moving it around a lot. So you just want to get used to this, like, you know. So D minor also is like kind of like a weird, like it's all squished together. So you just want to get used to that. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up how I played Playdate in my cover. If you want to play along with me, you can just check out my cover. I'll link it right up there. And yeah, I really hope that this was helpful for you. That pretty much wraps up the tutorial. Let me know if you want to hear anything else down below. And so I can't wait to see you on Tuesday at my live stream. And that pretty much does it. I will see you guys very, very soon. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.